Welcome to Auto Road Reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Bajaj Qute, a compact city car that's making waves for its affordability and practicality. First, let's talk about the exterior. The Bajaj Qute has a quirky and distinctive look, perfect for urban driving. With a small footprint, it's easy to maneuver through crowded city streets. Its rounded edges and bold, angular front grille give it a modern yet playful vibe. The front-end design features stylish headlights and a streamlined body, ensuring that the Qute looks as good as it performs. Inside, the 2025 Bajaj Qute offers a surprisingly spacious cabin considering its size. The interior is minimalist, with a simple dashboard layout that prioritizes functionality. The front seats are comfortable for short city commutes, while the rear seats, designed for two passengers, offer decent space for city driving. The cabin also comes with practical features like air conditioning, power steering, and an infotainment system that includes Bluetooth connectivity, making it ideal for your daily drives. Performance-wise, the Qute is equipped with a 0.4-liter, single-cylinder engine. It produces modest power, but that's more than enough for its intended urban use. The car is light, which helps with fuel efficiency and nimbleness in traffic. You can expect a smooth, efficient drive, especially on short commutes and city roads. As for pricing, the 2025 Bajaj Qute is incredibly affordable. It's positioned as an entry-level city car, with prices starting around 3 Indian rupees and 50 lakh. This makes it one of the most cost-effective vehicles in its segment, perfect for those looking for an economical, no-frills option. In conclusion, the 2025 Bajaj Qute is a solid choice for those who need an urban-friendly, budget-friendly vehicle. Thanks for tuning in to Auto Road Reviews. See you in the next video.